Hi, welcome to the first lesson of your stress management program. Today we will be discussing the symptoms of stress and evaluating whether the things we do to try to control our stress and help us deal with stress actually work. Some common symptoms of stress include headaches, stomach cramps, sleep problems, excessive worrying. Different people do different things to try and make themselves stop feeling stressed. This could be exercising, comfort eating, taking a Valium, blowing off steam with friends, or many other things. But people often find that even though doing these things can temporarily reduce feelings of stress or worry, these feelings will persistently come back. In fact, sometimes it can even make us feel more stressed. This is because there is a rule that most of us buy into. If you don't like something, figure out how to get rid of it and get rid of it. Now, this rule works extremely well in 95% of our lives. For example, if you're afraid of spiders and you see a spider in your sitting room, you might throw a book on top of it to get rid of it. However, if you feel stressed or worried, you cannot avoid this by crushing it with a book. This is because we can't control our thoughts and emotions in the same way as we can control physical problems. Consider, for example, if I said to you, don't think about warm chocolate cake. You know how it smells when it comes out of the oven? Don't think about it. It's the warm, moist piece crumbles and the crumbs fall to the plate. Don't think about it. Don't think about chocolate cake. What happens? Now think about it this way. Suppose I had you hooked up to the best polygraph machine in the world. This is a perfect, sensitive machine. And when you're wired up to it, there's no way you can be stressed or anxious without the machine knowing it. So I'll tell you, you have a very simple task. Stay relaxed. If you get the least bit anxious, however, the machine will know it. Now, I know you want extra incentive, so I also have this pistol, which I will hold to your head. And if you just stay relaxed, I won't blow your brains out. But if you get nervous, and I'll know it because you're wired up to this perfect machine, I'm going to have to kill you. So just relax. Well, what do you think would happen? The tiniest bit of anxiety will be terrifying. You'd naturally be thinking, oh my God, I'm getting anxious. Here it comes. Bam! And how could it be otherwise? Now, if I told you, paint the house or I'll shoot you, you'd be painting. But if I told you, relax or I'll shoot you, not only will it not work, but it's the other way around. This would make you more nervous. And what most people find is that if you take a Valium or go out for drinks, you can manipulate your feelings for a little while. But as soon as it wears off, it doesn't work anymore. So if you are doing things like binge drinking to avoid getting stressed, you can become even more stressed because you're trying so hard to control these feelings when you can't control them. Instead, we need a healthier, more long-term strategy for dealing with stress.